What's up, y'all? So I gotta admit, I haven't put out a video in a long time. I know that. I've got a bunch of backlog of videos that I need to edit. I had some editing software problems, but I'm over that now. And now with all this Corvid stuff going on, I've got some more time to edit videos. So I promise there's gonna be more stuff coming out. I've got a bunch of content that's all saved up. I just need to edit the videos. So enjoy this one, and there's many more to come. What's up, y'all? Absolutely gorgeous day today, and I can't ride my motorcycle because it's still in a million pieces, and I'm tired of that. So even though I didn't get everything I wanted to get done, I'm still gonna put it back together, and after I get done, I can ride it. And that's all I really want to do right now is just ride on these gorgeous Florida days. So today I'm just gonna assemble it back together with everything I've got done, powder coated, and maybe I'll take it apart again another time, but probably not. I feel like I got a lot done today. I'm still missing a few parts that I left at the shop. So some O-rings for this side cover, so I wasn't able to get the side cover on, but I think it's coming out good. The exhaust fits like crap, but I didn't expect very much out of it. I decided not to build an exhaust because it was just cheaper just to buy one, and I just gotta make some brackets for it and kind of things, but it will fit good. It just kind of, right now, it's got like the wrong hardware, and it's a little just crooked, but it'll be fine. Well, it's been a long couple days, but the bike is back together. It's looking pretty damn good. I didn't do everything I wanted to do to it. Still wanted to do the wheels, the shocks, all that stuff, but man, I was just tired of it sitting. I got too many other projects going on, so I just wanted to get it back together. But the blacked out look definitely looks better than the silver. I'm digging it. Got the side covers back on. The new exhaust sounds sweet. And still got to do this mount, which doesn't quite line up. Yeah, but I mean, it's a cheap exhaust. It is what it is. I'm pretty happy with the way it sounds. And back mount, I made it kind of made it work. I just got to work on that one a little bit. I might have to cut that and weld it, but I'll figure it out. Well, I'm gonna go ride this thing because it's ready to go, and I really want to ride. That's it for today, and I'll catch you guys next time.